Okay, now it is time to discuss the image formation by lenses. How the image is going to be formed by the lenses, we will discuss here. The image formed by the lenses is what the convex lens. Might you are remembering this type of the table we have seen earlier in case of the mirrors. Okay, the same thing is there. Now convex lens has the 6 positions and concave lens has the 2 positions. First position at infinity, position of the image at focus f2, size of the image is highly diminished and nature of image is what real and inverted. Next, beyond 2f1, between f2 and 2f2, then size of the image is diminished, nature of image is what real and inverted. That at 2f1, at 2f2, same size, real and inverted. Between f1 and 2f1, beyond 2f2, enlarged, real and inverted. At f1, at infinity, highly enlarged, real and inverted. Between f1 and o, on the same side of the object as the object, enlarged, virtual and erect. So these are the 6 cases for the convex lens and 2 cases for the concave lens. At infinity, at focus f1, highly diminished, point size and virtual and erect. Between infinity and optical center O, between f1 and optical center, this O is the optical center, diminished, virtual and erect. Now might you are having one doubt is that, sir, already we have not seen this 2f1, f2 and all these things. Center of curvature at least you have seen, isn't it? Similarly, if this is what bit of convex lens, clear, this is what the principal axis, this is the optical center, this one is called as the f1 and the center of curvature c1 is written as what 2f1, that's it. यहाँ पर आप 2f2 की जगह पर क्या लिख सकते हो, c2 लिख सकते हो, 2f1 की जगह पर क्या लिख सकते हो आप, c1 लिख सकते हो, clear? So to this side it becomes f2 and this is what 2f2, clear? Similarly for which lens now? For the concave or convex lens, this is the convex lens. Concave lens के लिए क्या होगा? This is what f1, this one is what 2f1, this one is what f2 and this one is what 2f2. Already I told you one thing is that the important terms only optical center will be different and the remaining all are same, whatever the definition that we have mentioned earlier, that is related, what is the focus, center of curvature, again the principal axis, again the aperture, again is what that whatever the remaining concept, the radius of curvature, focal length, this much of the distance is called the radius of curvature, clear? This is what R1 and this one is what R2, clear? And this much of the distance is what F1, ये क्या होगा इतना, ये आपका F1 होगा यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक और ये क्या बना आपका F2 बना, small f2, clear? And the distance from this to what, come on, R1 है ना, and this one distance is what F1, similarly this distance is what R2 and this distance is what F2, clear? All these things are very simple, clear? So that is what it is to be called as the image formation by lenses, and this is for the convex lens and this is for the concave lens. Remember that because we know very well we are not going to incident light from this direction. From where? We are going to incident light from left to right. So that is the reason this part is taken as the primary for convex as well as the concave lens, clear? This part is taken as the concave. So this part is taken as the primary. This focus is due to because of this focus is due to because of this focus is due to because of this, and this focus is due to because of this. Clear? This is how it is very simple. And if you remember this, as I already told you in case of the mirrors, you can able to you will solve any type of question. You will solve any type of the questions. And you can able to see this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 having the real and inverted nature. Only one case is there which we are having the virtual and erect. And in case of the concave lens we are having only 2 cases which are the virtual and erect. There is no real and inverted. क्या बात है sir? ये तो हमें समझ में आ गया. Clear? Now let us understand tips to trace the diagrams. Tips to trace the diagrams.